Hey guys, I hope you're having an awesome holiday. I've got the beautiful, lucky chance of playing a whole bunch of extremely high-end snare drums from this awesome drum collector on my right called Michael, and he's going to tell you a little bit about the drum, and then after we're going to get to play them, you know?
Yeah, so this one here is Brady 14x7 Marri Ply. This shell is it's made in 2007. Marri's they didn't make many of these, so this one is the 41st one ever made. Well, the serial number is 41st. Yeah.
Oh, wicked.
Yeah.
And is that an Australian wood?
Yeah, this is our local wood in Chris himself. He finds like wood that's falling down naturally.
Oh, wicked.
So he just collected them and made drums out of it. So which
Awesome.
I think Brady drums are really like, you know how some people chop down trees and then make drums out of that, whereas Brady drums just use natural falling down trees.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
I didn't know that. Wicked.
Yeah. So Marri Ply is a very sensitive drum, like all the other Brady drums.
Yep.
It's fairly dry. It's got a low fundamental tone. I reckon it's even lower than Jara.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It's got so much volume in this one. Brady didn't make much 14x7 snares. Reason being, it's like a custom order. So
Cool.
it's mainly designed. Apparently, I've been talking to Kelly Brady's friend. He reckons it's designed for Japanese market or something.
Oh, cool.
So
Awesome.
this is pretty rare. It's got a Makasa ebony finish,
Yeah, awesome.
which is another rare thing for this particular show because they normally come in a natural finish.